Hi, I'm T3 lead stylist David Lopez. If you've ever wondered the secret to big bouncy hair like this, I'm going to show you how to get there. My friend Amanda is going to be using the T3 SinglePass Curl iron to create this big, beautiful look. Let's get started. After drying your hair, split into pigtails and bring towards the front. Use a sectioning clip to create a section that goes from the temple all the way to the back of your head. And then clip this section up and away. For maximum curl, start your curls at the mid shaft of each section and work your way towards the bottom before rolling up and towards your scalp. Continue working this way up and around your head until you're completely finished, but allow each of the curls to cool down. Gently rake through your hair with your fingers to break up the waves and finish your style. If you're looking for a more polished and finished look, you can also use a large tooth comb or a brush. It was that easy to create this big, beautiful look using the T3 SinglePass Curl iron. Now your turn.